When the check engine light came on, I began diagnosing the issue. Using a scan tool, I retrieved the fault code P0453, Evaporative Emission System Pressure Sensor Switch High, which pointed to a potential issue in the EVAP system. The EVAP system is designed to capture fuel vapors and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere, making it a crucial part of emissions control. I started by inspecting the EVAP system components and connections, but found no visible damage or obvious faults. To investigate further, I sealed the EVAP system and connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system service port. By introducing smoke into the system, I was able to identify any leaks. During the test, I observed smoke escaping from the EVAP canister, which confirmed that the canister was faulty and causing the high-pressure reading. After diagnosing the issue, I replaced the faulty EVAP canister with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes from the vehicle's system and performed a road test to ensure everything was functioning correctly. This time, the vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes reappeared. The EVAP system pressure sensor monitors the pressure within the system to detect leaks or blockages. A faulty canister can disrupt this balance, causing the sensor to detect incorrect readings and trigger a code like P0453. By thoroughly inspecting and testing the system step by step, I was able to pinpoint the issue and restore the EVAP system's functionality. Replacing the canister ensured the vehicle complied with emissions standards and operated efficiently.